Crafty Friends. This is Lisa from Peanuts and Peppers Paper Crafting. Today I want to share with you my mini Stampin' Up! Holiday Haul 2025. There's lots of new stamps, dies, embellishments, and so much more to get you ready for your holiday crafting. So let's get started. This is the Stampin' Up! Mini Catalog, September to December 2025. I cannot show you the inside yet, but you will be able to shop from it on September 1st. All right, the first bundle that I want to show you, and some of these are also online exclusives as well. This is the Amber Autumn Bundle. I love it because it's perfect for fall or Thanksgiving. The sentiments in this set are blessed to have you in my life, autumn wishes, grateful for you, thanks, you're simply the best. And then you get two stamped images. This one has pumpkins and gourds, and this one has leaves and acorns. These are the Amber Autumn dies. And what I like about it is you get this card size. This is like a leaf die that you can die cut and layer on cards and paper crafting projects. You also get the dies to cut out the acorns and leaves in the stamp set and the pumpkin and gourds, and then you get some individual leaves as well. So this is what the die cuts look like. This is that leaf collage, the big die, and then here's the pumpkin and gourds, and then this is the leaf and acorns, and then you get these leaves and sprig as well. It's so pretty. Now to go along with this, I also got, this is called the Gathering Together 12 by 12 Specialty Designer Series paper. It is beautiful. The fall colors in it. I wish fall were here now. So I'm going to show you the patterns in it. You get 2 sheets of these patterns in this paper pack. So this is the first pattern. And you can see the gold inside some of the leaves. That's the front. This is the back. Front. Back. And trying to catch that gold inside. Front. Back. The back is more neutral colors, but I still like them as well. This is the front. The back. The front. How pretty those gold elements are. The back. This is the front, and then the back. And the colors in this paper are Basic Beige, Cajun Craze, Crushed Curry, Early Espresso, Old Olive, and Champagne Foil. I also got to go with these products. This is some Early Espresso and Old Olive linen thread. Classic colors. And these beautiful Cajun Craze and gold dots. And can you see the shimmer on the inside? Look how pretty they are. Then, to top it off, look at this new embossing folder. This is called the Gathering Leaves embossing folder, and you can see how big it is. Here's the embossing folder. It's not a 3D embossing folder. It looks like it. It's just a regular embossing folder that's bigger. And so you can use these on scrapbook pages as well. Open it up so you can see the inside. So it's like teeny tiny leaves. Now I embossed it, so this is the embossed side. Look how pretty that is. And then this is the debossed side, which is also pretty. Now I've already made a card with this bundle, these products. This is my card. And there's that embossing folder in the back. There's the designer series paper. And there's the acorn and leaves stamp image from the set. And then the sentiment. I'm going to be using this for years to come. All right, moving on along. The next thing I want to share with you is these are called the branching out dies. Now there is a stamp called branching out. I didn't get the stamp set, but I love layering dies because you can use them on just about everything. So I had to have the dies, and this is what they look like. You get a set of, let's see, 6, and they all layer. And then you get some extra dies. You have this long, I guess like maybe vine, and then some leaves, and then here's some pine cone. There's a pine cone in this as well. And so I've cut them out so you can see how they layer. You just go down a size. That's the first 5. And then this is the last one right here, the mini one. And then these are the die cuts. Now I haven't made a card with it, but I wanted to show you that that biggest die, it will layer on the front of a card like this. Or you can take any one of these dies and make a window card. Like so. So I will be using these a lot this holiday season. The next thing I want to show you is the words for the season. This is a stamp and die set, and I like it because you have sentiments that can go on the outside of the card and sentiments for the inside. So here's the stamp set, words for the season. It is a clean set. On the front you have 2 in yours, greetings, wishes, happy, and cheery wishes. Have a spooktacular Halloween. Let's toast to yesterday's achievements and tomorrow's bright future. May the magic of Christmas fill each corner of your home and heart. So incredibly grateful for all my blessings, especially you. And may your holiday season be filled with joy and happiness. And I like this set because it's something for a lot of holidays. You just don't have just Christmas or just Halloween or just New Year's. This is an all-over set. So this is the stamp set, and this is what the dies look like. And then you even get a little banner die in there as well. And I die cut them so you can see what they look like. So there's the banner, and you have your happy and your wishes and merry, autumn, greetings, holidays, Halloween, Christmas, New Year. And you can mix and match this in a variety of ways. So I had to have this bundle. The next thing I had to have, I like to make quick cards. And so this particular pack of designer series paper, this is 6x6. It's called the Christmas Tags and More 6x6 designer series paper. The colors are cherry cobbler, crumb cake, garden green, real red, soft seafoam. And so in this pack of paper, you're going to get 8 sheets of this particular pattern. And this one, you can make tags out of this. You can put them on card fronts. So this is the front. And then this is the back. I like that gingham pattern. You get 8 sheets of this pattern, so you can cut this apart and make cards or projects with it. This is the front. And then that's the back. You also get 8 sheets of this pattern. Again, card front, scrapbook pages, so much more. This is the front and back. Then look at this pattern. This looks like a Christmas present. This is the front and the back, so you get 8 sheets of this. But wait, this designer series paper also includes die cuts. So in the die cut, you get 2 sheets of 2 different patterns. So this is the first pattern. So you got your poinsettia, you got candy canes, ornaments, bows, stockings. You even have presents down here, some sentiment layers. There's a gift. So you get 2 sheets of this die cut. Then you get 2 sheets of this die cut. You have some more ornaments. There's a Christmas wreath and holly, Christmas bells, Christmas tree, a cardinal, some more sentiment layers. And so you can mix and match these with this paper to make quick and easy Christmas cards. Had to have this. All right, the final thing that I want to show you, because remember, this is my mini haul, so you know I'm going to go back and get more. This is called the Sign Design Stamp Set and Punch. This is the stamp set that has multiple sentiments for a variety of holidays. Again, I like to get things that cover a lot of occasions, not just one. And so in this one, you have Merry and Bright, Happy New Year. You can mix and match the sentiments. You have May It Be Filled with Joy, Trick or Treat, Be Sweet, May Your Day, so you can put May Your Day, Be Sweet. Then you have Season, and then you have Of Thanks. And then you have an empty one that you can put any kind of sentiment on it. And this is a photopolymer set, which means that you can see straight through it. Now this is the Sign Design Punch that goes along with it, that you can stamp and punch these out. When I get a punch, I also like to make myself a punch template, so I can line these stamps up in my template on my stamp block, and when I punch, they come out perfect. And so I have done that. I made a little sample for you. So this is just the punch itself. Then on this one, I put Season of Thanks, did like a fall kind of card. Trick or Treat for Halloween. Merry and Bright for Christmas. And then here we go, Happy New Year. And then there's so many more ways that you can mix these up. Alright, this is the end of my mini haul for now. I hope you like some of the projects that I have shown you. There's so much more that I plan to get. If you need a Stampin' Up! Demo, I will be happy to send you a catalog. And again, this is for the Stampin' Up! Holiday Catalog, September-December 2025. Thank you for spending a few minutes with me. Please like, share, and subscribe. You can shop with me at lisafleming.stampinup.net. You can find my projects here on YouTube. You can find me on Facebook at Peanuts and Peppers Paper Crafting. You can find my blog at peanutsandpepperspapercrafting.com. You can find me on Instagram at Peanuts and Peppers Cards. You can also find me on Pinterest at Peanuts and Peppers Paper Crafting. I'm trying to hit my goal of 1,000 subscribers by December, so I hope you can help me out. Again, if you need a catalog, please let me know. I hope to see you again. Have a wonderful evening, day, afternoon, and happy stamping.